I'm back. I make a video since a little while. I'm going to teach you guys how to make a fishing lure. So you get something like this. You buy it at the gun shop, at Walmart, anywhere. They have this little thing. And then it comes out like this. You got a hook and you put it on like that. And then I got a little travel hook. And that looks mine. And I did my scissors. And I'll cut the little piece off. And I get the little white strings out of there. And then put it to the end of the line, but not the hook end. This end. Not the hook end, but this end, okay? And then you go poke it through that way. It goes through here. Got it? And you slide it all the way down to the hook.